There's something truly magical about taking what others might call waste and transforming it into a warm, inviting source of light. Scrapwood lamps are more than just functional decor, they are living stories told through textures, grains, and imperfections. Every knot in the wood whispers a bit of history, every curve holds a memory, and every lamp you craft becomes a unique reflection of your imagination. When you upcycle, you aren't just creating beauty, you're celebrating sustainability, saving materials from landfills, and giving your home a personality that can't be replicated by mass-produced items. Hello! Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the place where creativity meets sustainability, and forgotten wood finds a new reason to shine. If you love the warmth of rustic lighting and the beauty of handmade creations, today's video will absolutely brighten your day. We are exploring creative lamp ideas made from upcycled scrap wood, a perfect way to turn simple leftovers into glowing pieces of art that add charm and character to your home. Whether you're a DIY lover, a fan of natural aesthetics, or someone simply looking to make your space feel cozier, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit that notification bell. We post daily videos filled with upcycled wood furniture, decor tips, and inspiring eco-friendly ideas that make your home as beautiful as it is sustainable. Let's start simple with rustic table lamps made from scrap wood blocks. You can use leftover beams or small cut-offs from previous projects, lightly sand them to preserve the texture, and finish them with matte varnish to enhance their natural beauty. Add a vintage-style Edison bulb, and suddenly, that old piece of wood becomes a warm, glowing masterpiece. The design possibilities are endless. You can stack uneven pieces for a rustic look or stain them darker for a sleeker, more modern vibe. These lamps make perfect companions for bedside tables or reading corners, offering both light and storytelling charm. If you're ready to elevate your creativity, let's talk about hanging pendant lamps made from scrap wood. Picture a minimalist wooden frame surrounding a glowing bulb, suspended elegantly over your dining table or kitchen island. Or imagine a hollowed-out piece of driftwood serving as a rustic lamp shade that casts a soft, dappled light across your walls. These hanging lamps create an enchanting atmosphere and work beautifully in any space that needs a little natural magic. The secret is in the balance. Mix textures, play with shapes, and allow imperfections to add authenticity. For something bold and sculptural, you can craft a driftwood floor lamp that doubles as an art piece. Gather long, twisted branches or driftwood pieces, secure them to a sturdy base, and hide your electrical cord neatly along the back. Top it off with a linen shade and you'll have a stunning floor lamp that feels like a slice of the forest glowing gently in your living room. Each curve of the wood, each knot and twist, becomes part of a natural sculpture that speaks to your love for the earth and creativity. If you're enjoying these ideas and want more daily inspiration for transforming old wood into timeless home decor, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and give this video thumbs up. We share new upcycling projects every single day to keep your creative spirit glowing bright. Now, for those who love geometry and modern minimalism, geometric scrap wood lamps are an incredible way to express your artistic side. Cut small wood pieces into triangles, hexagons, or diamonds, and assemble them into an abstract shape that houses your bulb. The light filtering through the geometric pattern creates fascinating shadows that dance across your walls. Whether you hang them over a workspace or place them in a hallway, these lamps blend rustic warmth with modern flair beautifully. If you've got old pallet wood lying around, don't throw it away. It's perfect for pallet wood lamp shades. You can craft slatted designs that allow light to escape in creative patterns. Stencil designs or burn small motifs into the surface to make it even more personal. A pallet lamp can give your space that cozy, farmhouse-style glow that feels both nostalgic and artistic. It's a reminder that simple materials can yield extraordinary results when touched with imagination. For minimalists who adore simplicity, log lamps are a dream project. Take a single chunk of scrap wood, drill a hole for your bulb holder, and let the natural edges and bark remain intact. This design embraces the raw, organic beauty of wood and works perfectly in rustic, bohemian, or Scandinavian interiors. Place it on your desk, nightstand, or bookshelf to bring nature's calm energy into your space. You can also take your creativity to the walls with upcycled wall-mounted lamps made from reclaimed boards or old furniture parts. These lamps look great as bedside lights or hallway accents. Use a piece of reclaimed plank as a base, attach a bulb fixture, and let the natural texture of the wood become part of your decor. For a cleaner aesthetic, experiment with angular blocks or contrasting metal fixtures to achieve a modern rustic look that's both functional and stylish. Another beautiful idea is to convert wooden candle holders into small electric lamps. If you have old wooden stands or candle bases, with a bit of wiring and care, you can turn them into vintage-inspired lamps. Add a rattan or linen shade for a soft, romantic glow. This is a wonderful way to reuse existing pieces without wasting materials, and the result carries both charm and nostalgia. If any of these ideas spark your creativity, let us know in the comments below which lamp you'd love to try first. And while you're here, be sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily inspiration. Each day, we bring you fresh, easy-to-follow ideas that transform simple scraps into artistic treasures you'll love having in your home. For the artists at heart, try building sculptural lamps using irregularly shaped wood scraps or tree roots. These lamps don't just illuminate, they express emotion and movement. By weaving in LED strip or bulb inside the natural curves, you create an enchanting interplay of light and shadow. These lamps are perfect for those who want their decor to tell a story, blending craftsmanship, nature, and light in one stunning creation. What makes upcycled wood lamps truly special is not just their look, but their message. Each piece carries a deeper meaning, the idea that beauty can come from imperfection, and sustainability can live right inside your living room. When you choose to upcycle, you're not only reducing waste, but also adding authenticity and soul to your space. Every lamp you create becomes a symbol of mindful living, reminding you that art doesn't have to be new, it just has to be meaningful. So, whether it's a small bedside lamp carved from a block of reclaimed oak, or a towering driftwood masterpiece standing in your living room, remember that each project is a celebration of creativity and environmental consciousness. By transforming scrap wood into glowing decor, you're proving that imagination and intention can turn the simplest materials into something truly extraordinary. And that brings us to the end of today's episode: Upcycled Glow Creative Lamp Ideas Made from Scrap Wood. We hope this video has filled you with ideas, inspiration, and a renewed love for the beauty of reclaimed materials. If you enjoyed this content, please give the video a like, share it with your fellow DIY lovers, and subscribe to Kuki Decor so you never miss our next creative upload. We post videos daily to help you design a home that feels warm, personal, and deeply connected to nature. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our growing community of creative minds. Remember, every piece of wood you touch holds a story waiting to shine. Keep crafting, keep dreaming, and keep letting your creativity glow. See you tomorrow on Kuki Decor, where every day, we bring new life to old wood.